Tata Motors very quickly, Ekta, because I think this is something we discussed. The market isn't doing very much at all, so no need for extra commentary, nothing to add. But Tata Motors, sure, one can add. So stocks up about 5%. And the trigger, of course, as you pointed out, is the credit Suisse upgrade, right? The price target, they've moved in the 700s, 730, 740 or so. 720. Okay. Now, this is, we discussed this on the 7th of October. I mean, exactly 1 month back from now. And this, let's put the graphics up. And this is the exact same graphic. And by the way, I didn't have to change the current price on the Pound USD as well. It's exactly there, 1.239 something. So in 2008, when the JLR takeover happened, the currency pair was about 1.9. After the financial crisis of 2008, it got to about 1.5. And right now it's about 1.24. Between 2008 and 9 and now, that is a 35% fall in the currency as far as the GBP USD is concerned. So that is, I mean, a clear, big change which has happened. One can argue and say at the margin how much of the recent depreciation we've seen is structural, because the pound has lost some 20% since the Brexit vote day. So you can argue and quibble about this 20%, but even there, I think more and more people are coming around and accepting the fact that maybe this is not as temporary as it sounds, because if Brexit were to happen, it would change terms of trade for British companies with the rest of the world. Let's move to the second graphic, and this is not a deep dive, but essentially a couple of graphics we put out on the 7th of October. Some numbers to remember. Approximately 80% of the cars JLR manufactures in the UK are exported. Back then, a month back, I put out the breakup in terms of where these cars go as well. But right now, just remember this, 80% is exported. But JLR also imports about 35 to 40% of its components from the European Union. It will kind of dilute sort of the benefits, or currency-related benefits. There are also hedges. Tata Motors essentially hedges its forex, so near-term forex-related benefits might be elusive. It's only once Tata Motors or JLR allows the hedges to kind of roll off will the real benefits of the new level of the pound USD will start to be felt. So I think we're talking about some real big changes in the currency which have happened, and the upgrade, of course, showing up as far as the specific stock is concerned. But it's